Hi everyone, Richard Robbins here. I want to ask you a question. Do open houses still work? I get asked this question quite a bit. And listen to this, Ralph Ciencio, who's one of our wonderful coaching members, been in the real estate business about 5 years. In 2012, he did 10 sales from open houses. He did 13 in 2013 and 15 in 2014. But listen to this. In 2012, he was doing 5 open houses per sale. In 2013, he did 3.4 open houses per sale. And in 2014, he did less than 3 open houses per sale. See, we track his past, which means we can predict his future. Now, do open houses work? 100% open houses work. Actually, all lead generation will work if you're great at it, and that's the secret. Listen to what Ralph does. First of all, he selects where he's going to do an open house way in advance, not 2 or 3 days. No, he selects an area where there's going to be a lot of traffic. He sends out 200 to 300 invitations to all of the neighbors. Why? Because 57% of people that go to open houses, they're not buyers, they're potential sellers. That's right. A lot of people think, oh, I'm just going to do an open house to get the open house sold. Hey, how often does that happen? Not very. I know you're thinking, well, it'll happen to me once in a while. Yeah, well, a blind squirrel will find a nut once in a while too. Well, let's face it, if that happens, that's a bonus. You're there to find leads. So here's what he does. He has a VIP neighbor tour for 1 hour before the public open house. That's right, 12 to 1, and then 1 to 3 is the public open house. He invites all of these neighbors. He gets on the telephone beforehand. As I said, he sends out the invitations. And then when they show up, he rolls out the red carpet. Literally, yes. I mean, he's got refreshments. He's got coffee and wine and cheese. He's got iPads set up on the dining room table where the kids can sit down and watch a family-friendly movie, which means the parents can leisurely walk through the home. Remember, your objective in open house, slow them down, everybody. In the summer, he sometimes has a barbecue going in the backyard. Yeah, hamburgers and hot dogs going on. Music playing, fresh flowers, candles burning. He turns it into an event. That's right. Remember this. The way people see you do anything is the way they think you do everything. Now listen. If you blew their mind at this open house, do you think there's any chance they might have you over for a market evaluation of their home? Or maybe want you to do a listing presentation? And then, of course, you say to them, hey, if you know anybody looking for a house like this, please send them an email. The public open house is 1 to 3. I even suggest the morning of the open house, go door knocking for a couple hours. Invite the neighbors out. And here's what's going to happen. You're going to start to have more people through the open house than you ever had before. And imagine this. If you can double or triple your traffic, and I mean deliver the unexpected when they're there, what's going to happen? It's going to lead to business. Do open houses work? You're darn right they do, if done well. Anyway, remember this. Excellence is not an accident, everybody. Thanks for listening. Talk to you soon.